My name is Wright. I am a junior here at Fairmont Prep, and I honestly couldn't imagine being anywhere else. I first decided to come into Fairmont Prep my freshman going into sophomore summer. I heard about it through the basketball coaching staff that was actually going to be here because I'm a huge basketball player and I wanted to partake in the new basketball program that was going to be. Now, I've been a student athlete my whole entire life, and coming into Fairmont Prep, I realized about how the academics here were just off the charts. I wanted to partake in the high academic opportunities that they had here. However, that was sort of my issue. I needed to find a way how to combine the great academics along with the athletics here. So Mr. Romo, who is our Dean of Students and also the head of IBP, which is the International Business Program, he introduced me to this program called ASA, which is Advanced Science and Engineering. For me, I would like to be an engineer when I grow up, and so I knew this program was going to be amazing. I want to be a civil engineer, and so therefore, academically, this was just the right choice for me to make for my future. I currently take a class called Honors Engineering Physics 102 U of A. It's a long name. It's an Arizona accredited class, and it's honestly definitely one of the best classes that I've ever taken throughout my education. Not only because I have an amazing teacher, but it also gives me a lot of incredibly fun projects and materials that I get to learn and take on to my future. Now, besides the academics, athletics was incredibly important to me, so I play basketball. Now, coming into a new school with a brand new coaching staff and new players, this was definitely frightening to me. However, I was able to build a lot of bonds with all of my teammates, and this was incredibly important. These bonds were incredibly strong, and my coaches taught me a lot about teamwork and desire. And this ended up leading us to a 10-0 season in which we were undefeated Express League champions. As you can probably imagine, being a huge basketball fan, this put a big smile on my face. I was able to go out everywhere and tell everyone that I was a Fairmont Prep League champion, and so that was huge. Now, along with basketball, I'm also a football player, and so there's obviously a lot on my schedule. And football, not just the sport in general, but especially here at Fairmont Prep, it taught me a lot about hard work, character, and definitely helped me to be organized. A lot of people say that the more you have on your schedule, the more organized you are, and I truly believe that. Football is definitely an incredibly tough sport, and it requires a lot of hard work and a lot of overtime and after hours. And my coaches were incredibly lenient, and the teachers were very encouraging and helped me as well as my coaches, and it led to a lot of fun. Fun being definitely one of the main reasons in which I love being here so much, considering I spend 9 to 11 hours a day here, from 7 in the morning to 6:30 at night, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to obtain such an education of high magnitude here at Fairmont Prep. Thank you.